Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm going to do my savings challenges for Friday the 15th of this month, which is March, and it's all about rolling the dice today. I have got £140 that I will count now. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 35, 40. Okay, right. So first of all, I want to do my 100 envelopes, and I will choose a dice. Let's do reds. Just take it out of the glare. When I roll the dice, depending on what the number is, I will count the envelopes, and whatever number is on the envelope, that is what I would stuff it with. It is between 5 to 20 pounds in the envelopes. So let's see what we can do. Okay, that's 5, 3 and 2 is 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's see, that's 20 pounds. Get that in there, and then we will do another one. That's 5 and 3 is 8. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oops, 7, 8. Let's have a look. And that's another 20 pounds. So that is that. And I'll just put it behind the divider here where the others go. And that's it for another week with that one. Okay, let's put these aside. And now we will do the big roll the dice. Here we have big roll the dice, and let's roll the dice with blues. Let's do a couple of blues. That's 12. 6 and 6 is 12. Let's look for some sixes. Let's have a look. There's 1 6 and another 6. That's 12, and we will put 15 in here. And if I get any more money, if I have any more money left over, I may put it into another game. Right, and we've got small roll the dice, and we will do let's do a couple of wooden ones. 2 6s. Wow, that's good, that's good. Right, that's 1 here and 1 here. And that is 15 pounds. We will leave it as that. Let's give it a little wafty. And let's see if we can change up some of this money. 15. Let's have a look. 5, 10, 15. No, we haven't got enough there. And let's see if we can change up some here. I think we might have. No, need 20 pounds. Let's have a look in here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 10, 20. Great. So that's done. Mini's done now, and we'll put that away. So now it's the mini green challenge. Do love this challenge. Let's do a couple of greens, and let's get out a green one. That's 5 and 2 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's £5. Okay. 6 and 4 is 10. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's £5. So we'll put 10 in today for that. That's good. You see, mini green. 10 in there. And then we will do the roll and strike. The roll and strike. Right, we've only got one more box, but I think I will play some more. I need 1 dice for this game. I will do a black, and let's get busy. We'll use a red and a green. Okay, let's go. Let's see what we've got. 1. Okay. 2. 6. Oh, can you see that there? Yep. 6. 5. Great. 1. Okay, so 3 and 4 is 7. So we'll put 10 for that one. And let's play again. Right, and I need to be going in the right direction this time. So let's play. 4. 3. 6. 1. 1. Okay, so we've got 5 and 2 is 7, and we'll put 10 in. That's great. Okay. That's 10. 20 in there. Roll and strike. That's good. And let's go back to the mini savings. I really do like this mini savings. Let's just cross out these that we've done. And I'll bring back the green dice. So here we go. That's 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 10. Let's do another one, shall we? That's 4 and 2 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 15. That's good. Okay. It's mini. Mini green. And then let's do the big. see what we can get for the big here. I'm going to use blue. See what we've got. 6 and 3. 6 and 3. That's 10. And do another one. 6 and 3 again. Okay. 6 and 3. So that's £20, because it was £9 on both. So we'll do the 20 and call it a day. And we have got £5 left. So that's the big one. And we have got £5 left, and that is going into the rollover. I'll just put that there for now for rollover, and we'll put that there. And that is that for another week. I really enjoyed myself. Really enjoyed myself. Roll & Strike was very kind to me today, and I'm really happy about that. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.